Good morning, everybody, on this Wednesday morning. Thank you so much for joining us for the severe weather outlook for Thursday afternoon. Marginal risk for severe weather and the darker green, and general thunderstorms where you see it in the lighter green. We'll just see general non-severe weather, but most of Michigan, where you see it in the darker green, will have the risk of severe weather with damaging winds and lightning. And I'm also going to say this, with strong to severe thunderstorms can spawn tornadoes. It's not one of the potential threats, but we'll kind of keep that in mind. And then if the category does get upgraded, we may have some other issues to go along with. So even though we have a marginal risk of severe weather, we're also going to say there's the possibility of isolated tornadoes as an additional threat. It's not listed on there, but I always mention that when we have the threat of severe weather. So just keep that in mind. We'll let you know if anything like that does occur, but we're not expected to see that. The potential threat is going to be basically damaging winds that will be expected with all of these severe thunderstorms that we do expect on Thursday afternoon. Stay tuned with us on Thursday throughout the day for continuing coverage of the severe weather in Southeast Michigan. So this does expand all the way from Southeast Michigan to Southwestern Michigan. That would be Grand Rapids, Battle Creek, and Lansing, I believe. And for the rest of Southeast Michigan, that would be Saginaw, Flint, Bad Axe, Port Huron, Pontiac, Detroit, Ann Arbor, and the entire viewing area. So stay tuned. We will let you know and keep you advised if there's going to be a warning. Just be prepared if it's a severe thunderstorm warning or tornado warning, whatever the case may be. We'll keep you informed. I'll keep you in line and ahead of the storm and give you advance warnings as soon as I get them. So stay tuned with us throughout the day on Thursday as severe weather continues. We're getting a lot of severe weather, but we need the rain. So how long are we going to have the severe weather, and how many more chances do we get out of this for the rest of July? We'll talk about more chances of thunderstorms, and when is the question. After these severe storms move out with damaging wind threats, we'll talk about what's yet to come with the severe weather after this stuff moves out. Stay tuned. I'll let you know what comes up after the severe weather moves out of Michigan, and then we'll let you know when the next round of severe weather is going to return in Michigan. Well, at the very latest, come back and join us on Thursday, and we'll talk about the severe weather threat later on this Wednesday morning, afternoon, and evening. And we'll also talk about it at 7, at 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 10 and 11 p.m., and we'll talk about that throughout the day. So once the severe weather starts rolling in, we'll have extended coverage, and we'll have a lot of updates during that time. So stay tuned. We'll have an extended edition of our newscast on Thursday. Come back and join us later on during the day. I'll be tracking these storms, and I'll let you know inside and out when the stuff is supposed to arrive and the timing of all that. Come back and join me later on today, and I'll have an inside look to see when this stuff is expected to arrive. Thank you for joining me, and this is meteorologist Eric Tallman. Come back and join me later on today. We'll see you then at 5 p.m.